Ever found yourself staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m., wondering why on earth you can't fall back asleep? You're not alone. But what if I told you that your insomnia isn't just a random inconvenience? It's actually your mind's way of saying, hey, we need to talk. You see, our minds are like that friend who's been trying to get your attention all day but you've been too busy to notice. Maybe you've been swamped with work, or perhaps family and social commitments have kept you occupied. But come nighttime, when the world quiets down, your mind seizes the opportunity to finally have that heart-to-heart with you. Your 3 a.m. wake-up call isn't a sign of laziness or irresponsibility. It's a cry for self-reflection that you've been dodging. You're not avoiding your duties, you're just sidestepping some tough thoughts. Maybe it's about your job, a rocky relationship, or unresolved issues from your past. So, what do you do when you find yourself awake in the wee hours? Instead of tossing and turning, why not take this time to explore the hidden corners of your mind? Wrapped in your cozy duvet and shielded by the darkness, ask yourself some hard-hitting questions. What's really bothering me right now? Who has wronged me and how do I feel about it? What needs a change in my life? What's the root cause of my anxiety? What is my intuition trying to tell me? These questions might make you squirm, but that's the point. The night offers a unique space where societal norms and judgments are temporarily suspended. You can be as weird, imaginative, or emotional as you want. Jot down your thoughts in a notebook if you like. You can always tear out the pages come morning. Your mind's ultimate aim isn't to torment you, it's to guide you towards self-understanding and growth. Sure, it knows that sleep is crucial, but it prioritizes something even more vital: psychological insight. It wants you to confront your feelings, align your external self with your inner world, and essentially, attend what I like to call the school of night. So the next time you find yourself awake at 3 a.m., don't just lie there. Take it as an invitation to delve into the depths of your psyche. Trust me, you'll not only find it easier to go back to sleep, but you'll also wake up with a newfound understanding of yourself.